Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blending or crossfading songs on Spotify on mobile. Doing this will mix the end of the current song with the beginning of the next song to create a smooth transition between songs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home page of the Spotify app, tap on the settings icon in the top right. In Settings, tap Playback. Here, under Crossfade, you can drag the slider to how many seconds long you would like the transitions to be. You should also turn on the toggles to the right of gapless playback and automix. Your songs will now crossfade and have no silent gaps in between them. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Spotify tips and tricks.